Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the Nautilus Airdrop. This is a free and confirmed airdrop, so I'm going to explain you, like always in my videos, a little bit about the project, and then we go to the step by step. You know that I always cover in detail everything that you need to do, and with all the steps and links, things that you need to do. So if this is your first time here, remember that I always cover all the steps. So you are going to be able to do exactly what you need to get this possible airdrop. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. If it's your first time here, remember that at cryptocurrencystate.net, you go to the video section. I have all the videos with a step-by-step of all the airdrops that I am covering. I cover around 3 or 4 airdrops per week, so you can go there and check everything. All this is still active, so if you really want to make money and make airdrops, you need to go to this page and check all the different airdrops that you can apply. And if you want to make another level here, just go to my subscription page. We have a private Discord where we are killing it with many new airdrops that I'm not able to cover because of time in my videos, and you have my application. I am using multiple wallets, so that is why I use my app in order to register and apply easily. You can see these videos in order to know how it works. Guys, Nautilus Chain is a leading AVM scaling solution that combines the speed of Solana with the reliability and decentralization of Ethereum. It is the fastest AVM environment in Web3 and builds off of the layer 3 vision laid out by Vitalik Buterin. So this is what we start calling a layer 3 concept. Nautilus will test a modular blockchain design that separates data storage, execution, and settlement into different layers. It will serve as a layer 3 infrastructure, enabling developers to deploy app-specific chains on top of scalable layer 2 solutions. This chain incorporates the Zebec token and its mechanism for its ecosystem projects. The token offers several key benefits of its holders and users within the Zebec Protocol, such as staking, incentivized for developers, token burning, revenue generation for the protocol, and governance of the platform. So going directly to the step-by-step, guys, of course the first step is follow them on Twitter. So they already have 133,000 followers there, but they only joined in January of 2023. So actually this Twitter account is new, but you can see all the adoption in terms of community. You can check all the links here on the link tree, but as a 1B step here, you want to follow them on Telegram. This time I don't put much the Discord. They have a Discord, guys, but there is not much information there, not much community, only 2,000 members there. So I think the news are happening in Telegram on this case. So go there and follow them on Telegram. The step 2, guys, is that you need to add Nautilus Triton testnet. This is the phase 2 of this testnet. To do that, I put here the official link, but we are going, of course, covering now together. So basically you are going to need to add it manually. We are going to do that in our MetaMask wallet, so I will copy the name first. And here, when you select the networks, I will click Add New Network. I will click on Add Network manually. The network name, I will put what says there, Nautilus Triton Testnet. The new RPC URL, I will copy it from here. The chain ID, you copied it from here. And the symbol ZBC. You can also put the block explorer if you want, this is optional. And you can see network added successfully. You can switch to the Triton testnet now, and you can see that we are inside there now. If you have any doubts, you can check here the step by step with the images, but it's basically what I already showed you. Now the step 3, guys, we need to get Faucet tokens. So we are going to go to a specific Chain Faucet. So click this link. Here you need to copy your address, paste your address and click on send 1T CBC. Put your address, click on send me one, and you're going to be done. And you can see saying verifying, and you only can receive one time each 24 hours. And after you click the CAPTCHA verification, it's going to be quick. You can see that says sent, so you should be already receiving this token. You go to the wallet and you can see I have 2 tokens here. Now let's go to step 4. This is for you to get your referral share to increase your possible airdrop here. In order to do that, go to this link. You are going to be sent to this page and you can see the top accounts with invites and that. You need to invite friends basically. So connect your wallet here, then you need to verify your Twitter. So you're going to be connecting your wallet with your Twitter. So if you are using multiple wallets, remember you're going to need multiple Twitter accounts. And after that, you need to click on register. That is going to pop up a couple of transactions for you to sign in. There's no danger on that. And after you that, you're going to see that you have an invite link. So you click that and you share that invite link. Now for the step 5, we need to test the Dapps of the ecosystem. You can go to the web page of them. Here they have the section ecosystem, and you can see all the products and things that they have here. In this case, we are going to test PoseiSwap, but I recommend you to check another projects and try to interact as many protocols as you can. So like I say, in step 6, I will test PoseiSwap. So this is a DX. We are going to try to swap and enter a liquidity pool. So click here, go to the link. Once you are here, you need to connect your wallet. Remember, we are going to use Triton Testnet. Click on MetaMask after you're connected with your wallet. After you are connected, you can see that I have balance on ZBC, and we are going to try to do this to wrap a little bit. So I will just put less than 25%, let's say, to click on wrap, confirm the transaction, and the deposit failed in this case. So I'm going to try it again. This time I'm going to increase the sleep dash, so always consider that. And to make it even more easy, I will put on expert mode on. So this is going to hide the sleep dash automatically. So I will click on OK on that, click here and put the word confirm. So this is not usually recommended, but because we are in testnet here, I really don't want to start doing it manually. So I will just click wrap. And it's a little weird. This was working me yesterday, but like you can see, the deposit fails, but I have balance. So something is not quite right here. But anyways, now I am trade here. Instead of that, I'm going to put USDC, and I will do the same. I will just put here 40, and I will try to swap this. And you can see again, the error says that you need to increase your sleep dash tolerance. So I'm going to check again here. We have the expert mode already on, so it should be doing this automatically. But I will put 20 here. I will click on swap. I will increase the gas fee here. Click on save, confirm. And you can see I have already balance there. So I'm going to go to the liquidity part. I will try to find a liquidity pool for this. I will click on add liquidity. I will put 75% of what I have here, let's say 50. And I will click enable USDT. And besides the error, you can see that the things is going to move forward. So click on supply. I will edit the gas fees. Again, to pay more. And you can see now I have my liquidity pool down here with ZBC and USDT. So I already did some swap. I put the liquidity pool there. So my recommendation is that right now it's not working so well. You can saw the error that I have. Basically what I did in order to the things happen is I put the expert mode, but anyways I put 20 of the sleep dash tolerance. And then when you click to supply on the transaction gas fee, you click edit, and I put a very high number. I added 2 numbers, so it will have at least 1 unit on the pay of the gas fee. Remember that you pay gas fees with the Faucet tokens that you got. So with that, you already tested here. Anyways, I would try to recommend you to come back tomorrow too and try to swap and enter the liquidity pool again to be sure that your transactions are really happening. But anyway, if this doesn't work too well, you can go and try any other of the projects that I have here. I also put here Multichain. You can try to test this bridge. And step 8 is you need to get all the OAT Nfts from Zebec Protocol. So in order to do that, you go to this link. You are going to see that there are many that already ended, but there are others that you can get. So for example, this is the first one that's supposed to be for developers, but it's really easy to get. You need to change to Avalanche here, but basically you need to visit 2 different pages here and you can claim it. Only 700 people did it. Then this will be the most important one because it's a chain Triton testnet, so you can open this one. And inside here you actually have 4 to do. The first one is really easy, just a Twitter liker, so you basically would need to tweet and retweet stuff. And then you have another 3 that you need to check. For example, Poison Beta Tester, which is what we just did. So you can get this one. The referral rush, so this is the step that I mentioned about doing the referral link. So in order to get that NFT, you need to come back here again and do the step 4. And the last one is also following some accounts on Twitter and social media. So they told in some comments and documentation about having the OATs is going to be part of the things to get this airdrop that is confirmed. So I recommend you to get all these OAT tokens. It's actually fine and easy. It's not going to take you too much time. One thing to remember here with these OATs, guys, is that ends on the 29th of April. So you don't have too many days to do this. So I think it's important for you to get all these OATs as soon as possible, because many of them are only for this month. After you do that, you can go to step 9, which is fill the participation form. It's just a couple of things to put here, only your email, your Telegram handle, your address that you use it to participate, and just a comment of the feedback of what you did here. So you need to put this. I saw in many places this is important for the collaboration, so don't forget to submit this. And step 10, just if you want to take a look on this, they are selling already the NFT for the possible run nodes that you can going to be able to do on mainnet on the launch. So you can go to this Horizon link and check. Right now the value of one node, it's around 2,500, so you really need to think about that. But if this is something that interests you, you can review this on Zebec here and read a little more about the different node stuff and how to manage that. But of course, the step 10, you don't need to do anything with that if you don't want. It's not going to be part of an airdrop distribution price. So guys, here you have all the steps for this layer 3 chain, and you can see in the Twitter, besides some information about the protocol and the ecosystem, they actually have many partnerships in the Twitter announcement part. So you can follow all the Twitter posts on the last month and a half, and you will see all the partnerships that this project is getting. Guys, that will be all for this video of Nautilus Airdrop. Remember, this is a free and confirmed airdrop token. The distribution is going to be at lunchtime, so you need to follow the social media in order to know the next steps on this. Like I already mentioned, it's all focused on the testnet of the layer 3 infrastructure. So check the project, get your Faucet tokens 1 per day, and use the referral link that I put, so you can create your referral link and also increase your chances for that and get the OATs. And don't forget to check my subscriptions. If you want to make the next step on your airdrop hunter live, you need to get in my Discord. This is a private Discord where we share high level of information. We are around 250 right now, and I try to get it very organized in different channels with the new airdrops, chat about different airdrops too, airdrop distribution, updates on dates. We cover all that there. We also talk about gems on crypto in general to get, OATs to get for possible airdrops, NFTs to buy and hold for possible sell orders on OpenSea. Many things happening on my Discord, guys. And you have my app. I created this app so it's very easy to apply to airdrops and to organize your information on all the things that you do related to airdrops. Guys, that will be all for the video. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.